de fuera.
Good times, good times. Next.
Okay. I'm going to start by asking you to state your full name and date of birth, please. When you do that, if you could pull your mask down just while you're speaking, you can put it back up when you're done.
Le voy a pedir que diga su nombre completo y fecha de nacimiento. Debe jalar la mascarilla hacia abajo para eso y luego se la puede poner otra vez. Adelante.
Name and date of birth, please.
Nombre y fecha de nacimiento, por favor.
Emilio Vázquez.
Emilio Vázquez.
September 20th, 03.
In Spanish.
¿En español?
In Spanish, please.
En español, por favor.
You don't speak Spanish? Okay. If you'll switch places then here with Mr. Villegas. Mr. Villegas, do you need a Spanish interpreter?
Señor Villegas, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
This is some reverse Uno type of stuff.
Yeah. Okay, if you'll switch with him, I'll do you. I have you marked as requiring an interpreter. So if you don't speak Spanish, I'll do you after I get the Spanish matters done. Sorry about that, Mr. Vasquez.
I got to clip that one.
That concludes our Spanish matter. You are always free to remain to observe the calendar, but you are also free to be excused if you wish.
Thank you so much.
I think they're sheriffs, Martin.
Okay. You too. Thank you, sir. Emilio Vasquez, if you would work your way back into the courtroom, please. Matthew Williams, if I could ask you to work your way to the chair. Come on in, sir.
Let's see what Emilio Vasquez did.
Okay, my apologies for that. I had you marked as requiring an interpreter, so I apologize. Can I ask you to restate your name and date of birth?
No Nintendo.
Emilio Vázquez, 09/20/03.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vasquez. You are here on allegations of new charges. The allegations against you are 2 counts of aggravated assault using a simulated deadly weapon. They are both Class 3 felonies. 1 count of criminal damage, 2 counts of disorderly conduct, 1 count of criminal speeding, and 2 counts of endangerment. All of those last allegations are Class 1 misdemeanors. I have found probable cause to support those allegations, and I've appointed a lawyer to defend you. Your next court hearings will be a status conference January 30th and then a preliminary hearing February 3rd. They will both be in the Superior Court downtown at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Vasquez, based in part on a written recommendation from the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, I have imposed a $50,000 secured appearance bond on these allegations. Secured appearance means that you can use a bonding company to post that bond if you choose to. If you do post that bond and you are released from custody, you are ordered not to have contact with any alleged victims, witnesses, or co-defendants of any of the underlying allegations. You cannot possess any weapons if you're released. That is true of real or simulated weapons. And you cannot possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription. Do you understand those conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Vasquez. You can step back and get your paperwork.
Emilio ain't going
Matthew
nowhere.
Williams to the podium in the courtroom, please. Kira Eastman, if you would please work your way to the chair.
And I had to give him a 3-star status on GT